a dream, feels like magic.
An earthquake warning has been issued for your area.
All of my wishes came true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire. Temu.
Download the Temu app and shop like a...
Try to make friends.
Want a Dorito?
Hey everyone! The new containing out Doritos!
Doritos?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management. At 10:23 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a 9.6 earthquake struck the downtown area of Los Angeles. Extensive damage and heavy loss of life has been reported. Several aftershocks are expected to occur for the next several hours. At this time, all residents of the state of California are strongly encouraged to be prepared for another earthquake. If you are inside when one occurs, get under a desk, workbench, or other piece of sturdy furniture, and stay away from windows, walls, and other objects that may fall on you. Once the shaking stops, evacuate the building immediately. If you are outside when one occurs, move away from buildings, utility poles, trees, and other objects. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, as power outages have been reported across the state. Stay tuned to NOAA All Hazards Radio, commercial radio, or television outlets for further information on this situation.
First, they're sour. Then they're sweet. Sour, sweet, gone.